In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. Then you should see country. Click country and look for Gabon. But the easiest way to find it is to click the search and type Gabon in. Under Gabon, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for cash. We found 3 Bitcoin exchanges and Gabon that ships cash. Local Bitcoins, Bitcoin ATMs, and Muslim local trader. For local Bitcoins, you can click the green button to buy Bitcoin and click the blue button to read review. For Bitcoin ATMs, you should click the green button to buy Bitcoin. And that's the same with Muslim local trader. So I'm going to end the video right here. To get more information, you can view the blog, which is down in the description, or go to the We Use Coins website to find more information. And I'll see you on my next video.